What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to take you through a quick walkthrough on the 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. So we'll start here at the back. We've got twin 300 horsepower V8 Mercuries. This will propulse you up to 58 miles an hour, get you cooking on the water. So as far as the back of the boat goes, you have two easy entry points. Very small step up there above the live well here, and a super handsomely sized live well. Keep all your bait super fresh. While we're back here, I'm just going to make mention of the helm seat. So this is hydraulically assisted. It'll come down into almost like a dining area here where you can pop up a table through this bracket, have some snacks, or bring some pub subs out on the water. Here at the helm, we've got the Mercury joystick piloting. So that'll be helping you with docking, getting everything ready before you get to the dock with your sky hook feature. Got your Mercury throttles, a large SIMRAD screen for all your chart plotting and waypoint setting. And let's come around the side of the boat here. Got a nice spacious head on this 28-footer. Could easily stand up in there, do any changing before you get to the restaurant. Up at the bow of the boat, we've got extremely spacious seating. You can fit 5+ people up here. As you can see, these do recline. So if you're underway and you want to get some sun and just lay out, there's a nice handrail there. That way you can keep yourself safe and secure. Very large sun pad here, as well as lots of storage underneath. Anything you want to take out on the water. And last thing I want to touch base on is your windlass anchor. So when you get out to your favorite spot, it'll be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just setting the anchor down, deploying it with a touch of a button, and it'll get you set up super quick on the water. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to know a little bit more about the Whaler product line, you can call me at 727-475-2899. Have a good day.